So we start off today's video with someone who has super long hair. The stylist has the scissors and it looks like he's just kind of trimming the hair, cutting the ends. Really creating a nice even U shape. And then we move into another hair transformation into this gorgeous bob haircut. Absolutely beautiful. Kind of gives off like a pixie bob variation with curtain bangs. So chic and stylish. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with this gorgeous curly hair. Looks like the stylist is kind of putting in some layers for this one, some bangs. Her hair texture is absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist kind of did like a curly layer look for this one, really created some texture to her curls. And then we have someone with bold purple hair. Oh, really pretty asymmetrical pixie style. I love the color, so pretty. Undercut on the other side, featuring the shaven side and back. And then we have the stylist doing another layered hairstyle, bit of a shag haircut for this one. Oh, gorgeous. And as you guys know, 70s hair has definitely managed to make a comeback, all thanks to TikTok. So pretty. I absolutely love that the shag has made a comeback. So next up, we see someone rocking the red hair color trend. Looks like she's getting a bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous color work. Loving the cover hair color trend, so pretty. So then we have someone who's also getting some color. Looks like she went platinum with this pixie style, beautiful bangs in the front, creating a really nice bowl shape. Oh, wow, look at those curls. So pretty. And then we have someone else who's decided to go copper. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Love the way this looks against her complexion. So pretty. And then we have someone rocking the money piece highlight trend. Blonde in the front, chocolate hair coloring going there in the back. Followed by someone else who has decided to kind of go with like an orange copper tone. Now she already had like some bright orange hair. It looks like the stylist is just kind of touching up the color, taking it up a notch. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Loving the bangs with that one too. And then we have someone who has long black hair. Looks like the stylist is adding some layers. Gorgeous. Really added some much needed shape to her long strands with this transformation. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front. Stunning. And then looks like we have someone doing a big chop. So she's cutting off all the color and going with her natural platinum gray color. Ooh, wow, her hair looks amazing. Gorgeous little curly pixie style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.